it's very important to understand that the reason for us welcoming the observations made by the Honorable Supreme Court are supreme. And because the Honorable Court has said that any property which has been declared as a waqf by user cannot be notified, and especially in the matter of those properties which have been declared by the court as waqf properties, and they will have to be treated as waqf properties and not as non-waqf properties. It has been made very clear by the Honorable Court. Also, what the Honorable Court has said when it was said that all the matters pending in the High Courts where the 1995 Waqf has been challenged need not be called to the Supreme Court. There is a reason, and the court's observations have also included the fact that cases because this has existed from the 1940s, cases from the Privy Council times have also been studied by the court, and the confusion which will be created as a result of this denotification is a matter of concern. And therefore, what the court has said in the past cannot be overturned by the legislature without any basis. And that is where we feel vindicated also, and also that this is moving in the positive direction. Important points made by the court also include that there have been cases of misuse and blatant misuse. This has also been mentioned by the court. And this is what we are saying, that if there is anything wrong happening, if there is any activity which is unlawful, that should be looked at in that particular manner.
Okay.
There are laws which exist. It's not as if laws do not exist. This brouhaha which has been made by the BJP about the tribunal looking into the matters, and the matter cannot be taken to court. There have to be people from other communities which have to be inducted into the Waqf board. These are matters of great concern because you're hitting at the root of the constitution, the basis of the constitution. And therefore, we will wait to see what happens tomorrow, as the hearing is tomorrow.
Okay,
and
okay, all right, fair enough. You've made your point.